Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can remove the border in your Microsoft Word document. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let me just quickly open my document, okay? So I have this document and as you can see, it has a border. So how can we remove the border of this document? Is very easy. Look at the ribbon at the top and you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the design tab and here you will find page borders. Click on that. And here in the page border, you will have this setting. All you have to do is simply click on none and then click on OK. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove a border in Microsoft Word document. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.